Have you seen these people that claim you can make $100,000 making a storybook with ChatGPT and Midjourney? This video right here got 1.7 million views and claims you can make over $100,000 with it. So I'm gonna follow along with his tutorial and see, is it too good to be true? Is it way harder than it seems? Or can anybody do it? Well, I'm gonna do everything in this video. All right, so let's watch this video and follow it step by step.
This simple storybook for kids has made over $176,000 in passive income. So I asked the chatbot to generate a title for a storybook related to kids.
All right, let's see what it comes up with. Sparky and Friends, a magical journey through the enchanted forest. Yeah, let's try another one. It's just getting worse. Some title variation. All right, we're getting some cool ones. Sparkles the Unicorn and the Adventure in the Cloud Kingdom. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna create a new document and let's begin writing a little story. So what's next?
Then I asked the chatbot to give me more details about the story.
What's the story about? So it receives a special invitation from the Cloud Kingdom, and when they start flying, they overcome various obstacles, including tricky weather conditions and mischievous cloud creatures. Their adventure takes a dangerous turn when a dark cloud descends upon the kingdom, threatening to destroy everything in its path. Will Sparkles and her friends be able to save the day and restore the peace and harmony of the Cloud Kingdom? I'm getting way too excited about this.
The next step was to create the story outline.
Okay, possible outline for the chapters in the story. Chapter 1, Invitation from the Cloud Kingdom. Chapter 5, The Dark Cloud Descends. Chapter 8, Journey Back Home. I'm really not sure how AI is gonna do a cloud creature. I guess we just have to wait and find out. I'm seeing he has bullet points. I don't have bullet points, so I'm just gonna change it into a bullet point by asking ChatGPT. All right, seems like we got the 8 chapters done. Let's put him directly into the document here so we can work more on it. So far, this is very easy.
All you need to do is copy the first chapter, paste it into the chat, and set the prompt to write a rhythm story.
Okay, let's try to do that. Awesome, this is looking great. Let's try the 2 chapters at once. It seems to be working. Chapter 4 and 5. All right, let's just take all the chapters that are left. This is really easy. Let's generate the rest of the story. I really feel like J.K. Rowling without any of the transphobia. All right, we basically got all the chapters. Let's just put it into our doc here. Yeah, I've been seeing it slacking off and writing 2 verses per chapter, and I kind of wanted to make 3 verses per chapter. Jesus Christ, ChatGPT, how can you be this lazy? It's still writing 2 chapters. You apparently have to write 3 verses for chapter 6, write 3 verses for chapter 7, and write 3 verses for chapter 8. That's how we make it work. So I'm just gonna make sure that all the chapters have 3 verses in them because of the rule of 3, which is a famous storytelling rule. All right, we got all the chapters, and let's see what's next. I'm actually really wondering if we can do this with YouTube videos and if we can get some views. And if you're down to see that, subscribe to the channel. Also join the AI Made Discord if you want to learn how to automate online businesses with AI.
Start section by section and generate the images based on your story topic.
So apparently each chapter needs to have its own image, and we're gonna generate it through Midjourney. There definitely needs to be more information here than just copy and pasting the prompt. Yeah, this is what we got. So if you follow the video, you're not gonna get good results. What I think I'm gonna do is kind of manually describe each of the chapters. There's no way AI can do all of this context. So I'm just gonna write a few prompts here. All right, I wrote some prompts here that we can start using. So let's see if it works. Let's just do 3 of them right away. And we might have a problem with the style being different, but we'll figure that out when we get there. We got this unicorn and the bird looks like a pig with wings. Also, this doesn't look like a unicorn, so maybe I have to do rainbow unicorn with wings. And for sure, we need to make it girly because it's a girl kids book. Let's try to get some variations by clicking this button. Yeah, I think I like it without the cartoon style. All right, we're getting somewhere. Now we're gonna click on upscale to make it a little bit bigger. And yeah, we got the 2 first images of our book. Cloud Kingdom really looks like this, huh? Now I'm seeing that this style here does not look good. So what I wanna try doing is copy the style of this. How I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna click on the image. I'm gonna click on copy link, and then I'm gonna do /imagine, paste the link, spacebar, And then I'm gonna copy this prompt right here, and then we'll see if it becomes a little bit more bright and in a cooler style. And then we'll see what happens. This looks insane. So we're just copy and pasting into our document here. Whoa. These are the scary cloud creatures. Honestly, this is extremely fun. The main issue I'm having is consistency between the styles. Because you see, and also I'm trying to get fairies to sit around the table, but I got some unicorn babies or something like that. And we're just testing this, we're not gonna go all full psycho mode. Here we can see almost the unicorn being a Jesus, and we got a human on board. Damn, if this isn't a children's book, you ought to be scared. There is no way that you can copy and paste these prompts though, so you gotta sit here and imagine different things. But I mean, this is the most fun part of the process for sure. I'm literally trying to make a rainbow unicorn pierce an object and make it explode. I don't know about you, but which one of these would you pick? I'm having a feeling that I picked like the hardest thing to do because of the unicorn. At least I should have picked something that exists. Does this look like a cloud monster that explodes? Hell yeah. Does this look like a proud unicorn that just beat the cloud monster? I think so. Does it got 5 legs? Yeah, also. Alright, I'm not gonna do all the images, but look at this. This is the story we got so far. Again, we're having some quick problems with the styles. They're not consistent throughout, but I guess I could change more and do more work. But so far, this has been an amazing, fun experience. Now let's check what's up next.
Copy the first part of the story and paste it on top of your image.
All right, so let's go to Canva. Let's write Storybook and let's click on a blank Storybook here. All right, I'm going to select all my images and drag them over here. Now let's start by adding some text to these images. Paste the text in here. Then we're going to click on white and we're going to add some background shadow, I think. Yep. Here we go. Or maybe some lift. And that looks actually pretty good. Let's add a new page and keep going with the second images. Because I want the same style, I'm just going to hold Alt and then I'm going to copy it down and then paste the next one. And I'm going to put it right there. Make the intensity a little bit bigger on the lift. Now, the funny thing about this is I couldn't generate fairies. So maybe we just go unicorn. Crazy how we can just change everything. They go straight from an oasis to a cloud creature. This is the scary part. They use their wit and skill to overcome those creatures that we're trying to become. A roadblock to their adventure ahead, but Sparkles just goinked him in his head. And just like that, we have made an amazing story of some unicorn named Sparkles goinking a cloud monster in the head. All right, let's see what's next.
Congratulations, you've created your very first storybook successfully. And there's only one step left to start making passive income, which is publishing your book on Amazon.
All right, the last step is
publishing your book on Amazon.
Now, if I get 500 likes on this video, I'm gonna do that and I'll post the results in a follow-up video. Also, comment down below, do it. And if I get over 100 comments, I'll do it as well. Join my private Discord in the description down below for people that want to automate income with AI. And if I actually made it, well, then click on this video right here and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.